How to create and update a list of tables or figures in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word, then click on References. In References, you'll find Insert Table of Figures. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, in Format, you can choose anything you want, from Template, Classic, Distinctive, Centered, Formal, or Simple. Simply select one. Also, in Caption Level, you can choose Equation, Figure, or Table. Simply select the one you prefer. After selecting, select Tab Leader as well. After you select Tab Leader, make sure there is tick mark in Include Label and Number. After that, simply click on OK option or add anything to your text. Simply press on OK and you're good to go. That's how to create and update a list of tables of figures in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.